Sick of hauling seltzer cases and tossing plastic? A countertop fizz maker can kill the clutter and save your arms. Let's find the right one. First up, the SodaStream Terra. This thing is the no-brainer starter kit. Machine, 3 60-liter CO2 cylinders, and a dishwasher-safe bottle, all in the box. Snap the quick connect cylinder in, press once, and boom, bubbles. No plugs, no learning curve. If you just want fault-proof sparkling water right away and hate hunting for extras, Terra keeps it simple and sustainable, saving a mountain of single-use bottles with one reusable. Now, Philips steps in. Looks sleek, slimmer than the SodaStream, but note the fine print. You supply the CO2 cartridge. Any standard screw-in 60-liter cylinder works, but it's an extra purchase and a bit of a twist and press ritual. Where Philips shines is customization. 3 quick buzzes let you dial your fizz level, and the white stainless body slides into tight spaces. If you already have CO2 refills handy and want a minimalist aesthetic, Philips is your match. Then there's Breville's InFizz Fusion, the wild card. No cylinder included, but this machine isn't just about water. Its fusion cap lets you carbonate juice, tea, even yesterday's flat soda. Twist, lock, pump, done. The brushed steel build feels premium, and the magnetic drip tray keeps the mess in check. It's bulkier and pricier, but if you're the experimental mixologist who wants to fizz cocktails for brunch, Breville sets you free. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.